It's 11 p.m. and I'm staring at a chart again, like it's gonna tell me how to be a better man. I should be sleeping, but I'm chasing tiny signals, while the candles cut my confidence into little crystals. And now it's dumb, but it feels like home. Oh, this glowing ocean, I can't leave alone. So I zoom out and I breathe in, and I tell myself it's not the end. Wave riders don't drown, we just learn to flow with our hands on the wheel and our hearts in our throats. Yeah, the tide gets loud, yeah, the nights get long, but I swear the moon gods still hear our songs. I've been chopped up bad by hope in a bull trap, bought the top like it's love and got nothing back. But then you said, bro, chill, it's just a pullback. And for a second I believed in that. We're not perfect, we're not pros, we're just people trying not to fold. And I don't need 1,000 wins, just one clean trade and some real friends. Wave riders don't drown, we just learn to flow with our eyes on the stars and the charts in our notes. Yeah, the red hits hard, yeah, it messes me up, but I swear the moon gods still fill our cups. If I disappear into the noise, just know I tried, just know I cared, just know I fought tight. And if the market takes my pride, at least it won't take who I am inside. Wave riders don't drown, we just learn to breathe when the ocean turns black and it's pulling at me. Yeah, the nights get cold, yeah, I lose my way, but the moonlight finds me and I trade another day. So if you're still here, then I'm still here too.
What's going on, beautiful people?
Lunar beaches forever, under moonlight, we pull through.
Always trying to bring you something new as far as the music is concerned. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the frozen waves of the market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I greatly appreciate you all for being here. Hope you are safe and sound, especially those of you that got caught up in the ice storm. There were also some tornadoes over in like Georgia or Florida or something. Part of the same system too. It's kind of crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's a little cold. It's a little cold. It's only, I don't even know what it is right now. It is 16 degrees. And I believe the low is around 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, good times. I've been sharing a couple updates in the Discord just about my experience, just kind of going through it all. But yeah, it's we got really, really lucky to not get hit like Nashville did, and parts of northern Mississippi. But Nashville just absolutely decimated by the ice storm. Prayers out to those affected, to people without power. Man, I hope they get power soon, but just based off of the images that I've seen in Nashville, it's pretty devastating. So yeah, just wish everybody the best. And if there's a donation link or something, if anybody's is aware of one, post it in the chat. I know people are going to be needing the help for sure, so we want to try and do our best to assist. So, hopefully tomorrow I can find one and I'll have one available, and then we can send some whatever we can to help. I know people are going to be needing it. It looks worse than the ice storm of '94, particularly in Nashville, Franklin, Tennessee. You know, that's basically Nashville and surrounding areas. I don't have any pictures on hand, but just a terrible sight to see. It almost looks like a damn tornado went through there, and yeah, so it's devastating. But yeah, I can't find anything real quick. Like anyway, here's a 295 and 385. Just ice, just ice, with a little bit of snow sprinkled on top to make you think that it's not that bad. It is really bad. We dodged a bullet, guys. About an hour south and east. So southeast, really. But then up and diagonally, up and to the right, if you will. Pretty decimated. So, yeah. Oh, but we got to keep going. Soft. Wait. I come here for a week? What? Come here for a week. Oh. What? Where it's mostly snow? And you're prepared for it? You get it all the time? You're used to it? I always found that funny. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you experience what we experience. No. No. We don't experience that. Hey, you know what? Let's go. How about you come? Oh, let's see. Sometime around spring. Let's see how you do with tornadoes. Talking all that ish. Let's see how you do with tornadoes. You want to deal with tornadoes? Let's see. Let's see. People, do y'all lose power? Do people up north lose power all the time from the ice storms? Honestly, don't know. I barbecued last night, minus 25 degrees. Oh, it's not the cold that's the problem, Alex. Like, nobody cares that it's cold. I've got it now. The polar bear at the at the Memphis Zoo is having a blast. Let's see. Is this what it looks like? Just absolute destruction? Is that what it looks like in Canada? Is that what it looks like? Just destroyed? Houses, trees falling on houses, trees falling on power lines, trees falling on cars, all kinds of damage. Like I said, looks like a damn tornado went through there. So yeah. These people are soft down here with their roofs collapsing. and their car is being destroyed and being without power for probably weeks. Pretty strong if they make it out. Been there, done that, survived, no problem. Yeah, it helps. Surviving helps. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. It is Sunday, January 25th, 2026 at 9:10. We're 10 after Central Standard Time. Thank you all for joining me. Let's go ahead and say good evening, chat. Good evening, Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here and pinning that Discord link in the chat. Do greatly appreciate you for doing that every single night. We've got Overcoming here. What's going on? Wick's wife, 2Dub in the house. What's going on? All set. Good evening, fam. Harp, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you for being here. LBC OG, Melissa One Love in the house. We got Jake Dorton in here. We got Harp. Love you guys. We got Jack Trades. Got Mark Dutch in the house. Harp sent me here. He promised me a. Okay, cool. 2 inches in Tennessee is decimated. 2 inches of ice. Yes. Let's see. Soft. What's going on, JR? What's going on? Alex O Crypto, Auto Gang in the house. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you for being here and talking crap. Let's see. I'll wear a wingsuit. Okay, interesting. I eat tornadoes for breakfast. I'm sure you do. Tornadoes love trailer parks. What's going on, Chip? How you doing? Thank you for being here. We got T.I. Joe in the house. T.I. Joe sent over the good people from the channel. Thank you for being here. Do really appreciate you for doing that. Put your power lines in the ground, just like developed countries do. David Gelfin, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Yep. It's America. We know it sucks. Yeah. That looks rank AF. Prayers for everyone. Yeah. It's not a good scene, man. Not a good scene. Neither is this, guys. Neither is this. We've broken out of the bear flag, bearishly coming back to backtest it and getting a continuation to the downside. We are getting a little bit of an upwards move here. However, we did get a 4-hour candle close below this low right here. Let's go to the daily. We also got a daily candle close below this low. Now that is not so bad. Being that it's the daily, if we got a daily candle close below this low, then that would be worse. That would be worse. But I do think that this will likely end up playing out to the measured move, but we'll have to wait and see. We are getting a little bit of a bounce. The question is it short term? Is it long term? What is it? What is it going to be? Is it as simple as sweeping these lows, coming into this fair value gap that was left back here, this 4-hour fair value gap, and then getting a continuation to the upside? Well, first things first, you got to get above that POC and you've got to hold it, and you got to get some continuation to the upside. We do have that same area of resistance right here at that $94,000 level. So that's definitely one for us to pay attention to if we get up that up there. Yeah, up there. Should get the words out. I'll be looking for corrective type of structures, so 3-wave structures. That's what I'll be looking for. If we get any kind of resemblance of a potential 5-wave impulse, then we can maybe we can continue to the upside. Maybe this can be a fake out and we can continue to the upside. But for now, we don't. The probabilities are it's more downside. That's where the probabilities lie, in my opinion, is just more downside. Main reason being, not main reason, but one reason being is just simple wave count. 5-wave move to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We have not completed a 5th wave just yet. So unless this is some really kind of weird bottom after some kind of ABC correction, weird ABC correction, which I mean technically is possible. I just don't find it to be very likely. So first order of business is getting back above the point of control. We can see that the point of control has acted as a support and resistance level all throughout this range. So, or at least a, well, you know, that's where the most volume has been traded. So that's where you tend to see peaks and bottoms, peaks and troughs, tops and bottoms. So, yeah, well, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Let's go up in here. Let's see if we can hit that wick and then get further move to the downside. Is what I'm thinking currently. Is just it's just more downside. I think this little move we're getting to the upside ain't it. I don't think it's it because we did close a low below, close a 4-hour candle below this low. So odds are this will go to the downside. Shout out to anybody that's a Pats or Seahawks fan. Your teams are going to the Super Bowl. I figured that would be the case because it's a nice script. If you catch my drift, no. Just entered Burr. At least Joe is generating his own electricity on the treadmill. Oh, how's the storm? Glad you have electricity, David. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Where did Alex go? Did he leave? Our barbecue last night, minus 25. Sweet. Come here for a week. I mean, I'd love to be there for a week. I lived in Michigan a while ago. I gave myself a timeout. Can you talk Michigan? Michigan. I don't care what you do, Alex. You do you, man. I don't care. But yeah. I work outside in the cold. It ain't nothing. Minus 25 probably wouldn't be nothing. You know why? Because I understand layering. And I understand how to stay warm. Which is mostly whatever. Chilling. Let's see. Proceed, Lord Otter of Otterton. Yeah, hope you and the family are doing well, Alex. Hopefully, oh, I know you were sick. Are you fully well again? I hope so. All right, let's see. What do we got? Let's see. ETH. How's ETH looking? Yeah, I don't really care for that low. I didn't even look at Bitcoin. Hold on. I got to look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Zoom out because I wanted to go over this because this is also not very bullish. And that is we got a nice bearish range engulfing candle. So the lowest close of this entire range as well. So be careful. Be careful. I could see this pushing to the downside. Maybe a little here, and then maybe it closes up a little bit, and then maybe it comes up into a weekly fair value gap type of deal, and then closes outside of that, and then we get the push to the downside. With smart money concepts and a lot of concepts in trading in general, they're pretty pretty much doesn't matter what time frame. You can basically find all the same setups on every single different time frame. They might be more probable on certain time frames depending on what the setup is, what you're doing, pattern trading, smart money concepts, whatever it is. Like with pattern trading, much more probable to play the 4-hour and the 15-minute. Not very probable when you try to try to throw bull flags on the 1 minute chart. That's tends to not work. There's not enough there. You'd cry, admit it, David. Sounds? 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 What? Lasers, what's going on, Lasers? How you doing? Pew, 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 pew. Thank you for being here. I need to turn on live chat. That's what I need to do. I always forget to do that. Where are we? You'd cry, admit it, David. Bro, like I said, I work outside in the cold. And we have a very wet cold, just so you know. So, we will be getting, I believe tonight and tomorrow night, we'll be getting some feels like of negative 15 degrees. So, I'll go outside tomorrow and prove to you I can handle it. It's just some cold. It ain't nothing. It ain't no thing. And there we go. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Let's see. So overall bearish on Bitcoin. Just how it is right now. Until something changes. Ethereum coming down, breaking out of the upward channel bearishly, which I was pointing this out last week, maybe even the past couple of weeks, how anytime, and I point this fact out all the time, which is you get that slow grind to the upside instead of nice impulsive moves. Whenever you get a lot of overlap between the waves, price likes to come down and take those lows all the freaking time. So just look out for that. Now, just like with Bitcoin, got to get above highs, got to get above points of controls. Yeah, got to get back above 2,975. Otherwise, it's continuation to the downside, in my humble opinion. Now, I did think that we might get a bigger retrace, but we might not. We just might not. We might not get all the way up to that 786. Unfortunately. Instead, my son's crying. I don't hear my name, so I think I'm okay. Oh, I bet my daughter's boyfriend left, so my son's crying. That's how he does whenever people leave. He always cries because he's had so much fun with them. So yeah, still considering this ABC here. Ooh. Excuse me. Now the question is this going to put in is this going to put in a C wave? Let's go down to the daily. ABC. ABC. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like how this is wicking. See, we're not seeing strength. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, it's actually getting pushed back. And we only have 35 minutes left on this candle. This is Ethereum, though, and it tends to be a little butthead when it comes to price action. Honestly, don't care for it. I don't ever trade Ethereum. Sorry about that. Let's see. The Dixie is no looking good. It is sitting down at 97.13. I have not been watching the Dixie apparently because I didn't know that it got that nice dump last week, and yeah, it's heading to the downside. Now, this is typically inverse correlated to Bitcoin and to risk on assets, but we can see Bitcoin has been moving to the downside. Now, this did open up moving to the downside, and Bitcoin opened up moving to the upside. So, but they're not exactly one-to-one inverse correlated. There have been several times when Bitcoin runs with the Dixie, or when Bitcoin goes down with the Dixie, or they go down with each other. They go down with the ship. Hi, bro. Could you help me take a look at SWI and let me know what's a good entry for SWI? Crypto manipulation trader. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you. Let me know what's a good entry for SWI. Not typically my style as far as providing entries. I try to teach people how to fish, not do the fishing for them, but we'll take a look. Right now. Go now. Kidding. Entry for long on short. You got to be more specific. True. Look at SWI. Let me know what's a good entry for SWI. Just freaking don't. How about that? This is a daily. We are starting to get some smaller hikins in here, but money flow still in the red. It has been coming back up. Oh, let's see. Could you teach me how to fish on SWI? Shout out to you, crypto manipulation trader. Not financial advice. Okay. Let's turn down volume, turn on music. Yeah, so let's go to the 12. Three. 1, 2. Okay, the momentum's curving to the downside. RSI is bottomed out, but or not really bottomed, but sitting pretty low on the RSI primed. 4 hour looking the same. Now I do see these potential bullish divergences forming with the oscillators putting in a higher low and price putting in lower lows. And I see this on a lot of things. Bitcoin, I think, is doing the same, similar. Actually, this looks more like it's down, but the RSI primed is pointing up. So mixed signals. If I had to guess, mixed signals is never really a thing, something that you want to play off of on particularly swing trades, but pretty much anything. Lasers. Money flow coming out on the 4 hour is still pretty thick in the red. 1 hour. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a bounce, but a little bit of a pullback right now. I mean, this might be a good long entry. You got a nice little sweep here. Okay, sweep of the low here. You take the high. You create a fair value gap while you take that high. And I would say, look at this inside this fair value gap for a long. Take the take that. There you go. 50% maybe. No, that's not inside of it. 382. That's sitting at. Oh, that's Bitcoin. I just realized I went back to Bitcoin. My bad. Sorry. I try not to bounce around so much, but squirrels live in my head. 4 hour, nothing. 1 hour. You do have a little bit of a fair value gap here. Man. I honestly don't care for that low. You didn't really, did it even sweep anything? I mean, all the way over here. So it took this low. Took this low. Did it take that low? No, it tapped. Ooh, it just created equalize. Yeah, I don't really care for that low, man. Not that this can't push higher, but that's the thing. I can see things pushing higher short term, maybe to start the week, but I think things will ultimately end up rolling over. I mean, look, the trend is your friend. The overall trend is still to the downside. So you have to play that until that changes. So that's pretty much it. Retro Mike Tech, bro, how you doing? Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you still have power. I was talking about Nashville with everybody else. How are you doing, man? Let's see how you're doing. Glad to see you, man. Glad to see you're okay. Let us know. Pew pew in heads and CS Counter-Strike. But yeah, right now this looks like this could just be a pullback before a bearish continuation to the downside. I mean, that is a fair value gap created on a break. Talk about that all the time. Except this is a bearish break this time. So might have missed the entry on the short. I have power, but we are on lockdown. You're on lockdown? Y'all aren't even allowed to leave the house? I mean, I don't blame them. I was watching a video earlier, some utility guy or something recorded a video. He's just sitting there. It's just looking up at a tree, and then all of a sudden it just snaps. It just falls right in front of him. Large branch. It's like, good Lord. Be careful. Like, it's truly a historic ice storm. I don't even think 94 hit Nashville like this. I don't know. I was 7. I was 6, 7, 6, 7. I don't, somewhere in there. Not really sure. No, legit. I was like 6 or 7. Honest, because I don't know the date, so I don't know. My birthday's in December, so obviously it would happen around that time. Good morning from Thailand. Good morning, Chelsea Brown. How you doing? I saw a power line ignite in flames. Ice pierced the power line. My uncle shared a video on Facebook of a transformer just like, oh wow. USDT dominance continuing to push. Is that what I'm seeing? Oh, we got a breakout. Okay, so we got a breakout on Saturday. Oh no, today. Wait. Yeah, Sunday. So USDT dominance getting a breakout the same time that Bitcoin is breaking down and breaking lows. You've got USDT dominance pushing to the upside. We also have gold continuing to push, breaking $5,000 per ounce, sitting at $5,080 per ounce. We're about to hit 81, maybe 5,081. We've got silver also continuing to push, no end in sight, coming up on 111 at 2.618, sitting at 109, $109.04, which is crazy. I remember looking at silver when it was like $11, and I'm yeah, look, it's all the way down here, $11. Let's go to the weekly. Wow. Too bad I didn't get that. No, when I first started looking at silver, it had to be 2021. So, yeah, it was around that $20 range. I mean, you want to talk about parabolic. Look at gold and look at silver. That's what parabolic is supposed to look like. It's such a beautiful, I just admire the structure of it. It's just so much prettier than anything that we've seen in crypto. The thing is just flying, man. And I don't know when it's going to end. So 4.236 extension of this range is $173. But if we remove that, where is it? Trend-based fib. Oh man, it's already zoomed past the 1.618. We're gonna have to go. Can y'all hear that filth? 1.618, $86. 208. I mean, I would imagine 200 would be the next. I mean, 150. I mean, really, it's going to be like 110, 125, 130. I mean, all the 10s, probably all the 5s. Those are all going to be like psychological levels. I mean, with the biggest ones being your 125, your 150, 175, 200. Those are going to be like your biggest psychological levels. Now, if we just did a simple cup and handle, $682. I mean, you know what they say. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the move. Just saying. Let's get that BTC breakdown, RMT. Thailand? Isn't crypto banned? Honestly, don't know. Gold and silver running, Dixie, USD, JPY breaking down after a nice spike up. I mean, looking to me like we are in late cycle capital rotation into safety. There you go. Let's go make some silver. Just need an old photo machine and it creates silver as byproduct. There you go. Never fear, Squid is here. What's going on? Crypto Squid. Thank you for being here. Is the music turning people off? That's okay. I can deal with it. All right, let's take a look at the S&P 500. How are we looking over here? Let's go. So bearish. Pull back into gap. No close above the midpoint. This song is called Moon Gods Have Mercy on Me. I've also got another one. It's called Chopped Up. Getting chopped up. But assets in general are pretty much what you want to own right now. So not financial advice, but I mean, I remember pulling this down before this even came in. Let's zoom in. Let's see how we're doing so far. I mean, nice wick to the downside. Of course, stocks are doing better than crypto right now, so there's that. Any risk on assets? Risk off assets. Let's look at the Russell. Russell looking like that might have put in its final little exhaustion wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might be done, man. We need to sacrifice someone to moon gods. Been killing it on gold. Hey, there you go. Did we get a bearish divergence? Yeah, we did. Yeah, bearish divergence on these highs. Now we did already get a pullback, so that could have played out. Daily, what's that looking like? I mean, look, we got a bearish divergence here for sure. So we'll want to see it pull back to 2604.9 and see if we can bounce off this high. Now, what I'm thinking is maybe something like what I'm hoping is, let's add wait, I thought did I like all those? Didn't mean to like all those songs. I was like, didn't I only like 2 of those? I kept playing them. Gold. Well, PAX G maybe? Oh, whoops. No, I just want gold. Gold futures. Why can I not? Gold. I love gold. You're not showing the right price either. What is going on? What am I? Where's? It's just gold. Gold. CFDs on gold. CFDs. Gold. Not per 0.1. I give up. Doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't really matter. Get rid of this. Alright. Anyway. This one gold. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's go look. Let's zoom out. What does it go back? 2014? Okay, I was trying to see. Let's back this up. Let's see. We've got gold going ballistic. Bitcoin's getting a pullback. Gold dumps hard. Bitcoin goes to the moon. Along with the Russell and the S&P 500. We've got gold here. Bitcoin sideways for a long time. Gold falls. Bitcoin soars. Top. Bitcoin sideways, gold drop. Bitcoin pump. Gold kind of moves up. I mean, everything kind of moves up together here. That's when the market bottomed. The overall market bottomed in 22. And gold just steady climbed up. So, basically, we need gold to crash. That's basically it. We need the safety trade to go away. But I mean, you can see everything was kind of riding along together. And then you get this crash between the S&P, the Russell, and Bitcoin. They all corrected. I believe this was Japan carry trade. And at the same time, you saw gold pushing hard. And then in gold's sideways correction is when you saw that next push in all three of those. So you really need gold to chill the F out, basically. Really need gold to chill out. And the problem is I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to chill out. I mean, greatly pushed. I mean, even conservatively, you're looking at 5,200, 5,197. Aggressively, you're looking at 6,123. $6,123 for gold. Let's see. I mean, it went past the 2.618. Might need to use a trend-based fib. since it is trending. Sling it. Nothing's making sense. It's in price discovery, man. That's what it is. Oh, look, and the daily's actually green on money flow. It was so red and dead. Look at that there. The daily's just... But look at this. It sat up here. It went sideways. And that was this entire push to the upside. Yeah. Basically, Bitcoin and all risk on assets need gold to chill the F out. And silver too. Oh, I just saw the message, LBC. Didn't you just play it? Oh. Yeah, it played earlier. I didn't start the stream with it, but it played earlier. Tesla. Nope. No Tesla. Anything moving? Drift? Looks like sweet, which is not good. I mean, it's basically megaphone type deal, as they say. All you need to know is consolidation before continuation. That's what patterns basically are. They're either consolidation before continuation, or there's bottom before reversal. These can push to the upside, but not usually. Look at those daily wicks too. It's terrible. No one even knows what this is. That's a JR type of coin to trade. Zcash, after getting the big dump once once everybody found out that the team quit, just moving to the downside, kind of resembling currently an ABC correction. Hello? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You got a little demand there. Is Zcash the new safety trade? Probably not. Let's go to the weekly. Let's go to a different chart. Different exchange. Oh man. I mean, this looks more like a correction before continuation to me. I say that, but if I come over here and take a look at XRP, you can, it's pretty much the same thing. It popped up and then it started to correct, and it's been correcting for over a year now. So, granted, completely different asset, but structures are structures. And this looks pretty bottomed out, but it looks like it can still go lower. But I mean, it's at its lows. So if it was going to get a bounce, it would be around here. I just don't know, man. Yeah, I'd almost have to. XRP, BTC, also sitting at its lows, so that's interesting. Talk about a fake out if Bitcoin doesn't continue to the downside. Don't know why I'm so tired. Or at least my body is. Yeah, so XRP's just been trading within this range for over a year now. So that's fun for XRP holders. Solana. Did we get an SFP on the weekly? No, we did not. No hands, no hands. Understand. We love our anchored VWAPs. Shout out to the anchor gang. $135 from the high. Would be a level I'd watch. Everything's looking weak though, guys. I mean, your momentum's weak on everything. Money flows in the red, particularly on the higher time frames, like the daily. That's where the most of it is. So, I mean, even if we do get a push to the upside, I mean, you still gotta. I mean, the high time frames gotta flip green too, you know. And right now, just not supporting it. And you see from this low here, we get a reaction off of that anchored VWAP. Let's go from swing high. Let's see where that's sitting. $91,853. Golly, stop. Oh, and I do not have work tomorrow, so I will be trading New York session. I'm excited, man. I love being able to trade New York. Probably be off Tuesday too. Not sure about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll see. Hopefully he's like, you can come in at like 10. And I'll be like, bet. Because I can still trade New York session. The morning session. Something else concerning. I mean, other than breaking the low and bearishly backtesting it and rejecting it, you're also getting your breakdown on your momentum too. Break that down. It's just not. It's not good. I mean, even over here. Yep, we even broke it here on the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. Say that 15 times fast. Doge. Let's back this one up. Yeah. I mean, it's got to hold. Ave. Oh, come on down. Come on down to 119. You start taking out these lows and it's... I start to question whether or not the coin is even going to have a future. Sounds dramatic, but... if they're well established and they've been trading pretty strongly this cycle, I take back what I just said, because you look at other assets, older assets, not in crypto, assets much older than crypto, and they will have ranges that last literal years, or corrections that last years, several years. And then they'll do something crazy and just go ballistic. One of the best times to buy is when it's feels like the worst time to buy, basically. When it just feels like it's all over, said, and done. Now, the problem is, in crypto, when there's millions and millions of coins, it is kind of difficult to pick the winners. Unless you just happened to go with the most popular coins. Particularly this past cycle, you know, Bitcoin had a run, Ethereum had a run, Solana had a big run, XRP even had a decent run. But how many coins? I mean, and then you had memes. And outside of those, I don't know. I mean, I know there was some crazy ones that, you know, went for crazy gains, but I'd say for the most part, it's pretty meh cycle. And you're going to get that with more adoption, more liquidity, but also more coins. It's just, there's too many coins. For now. I mean, eventually the market will do what the market does, and the winners will float to the top. And they will ride the waves. America! Finger wag. What's going on? Chadwick. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Dip the tip. It's 420 somewhere, right? Yeah, bruh. You're so funny, Bandage. Thank you for being here, Band-Aid. Maybe, let's go. Harp's fault always. Where, Band-Aid? I'm down. Oh, you're all so funny. Arrow. Oof. I remember when this was a thing. I just found out. I don't know if you guys know this, but see if I can. Derivatives just got easier on Coinbase. Go long or short with leverage on futures and perpetuals in just a few taps. You still make me buy contracts. Stop doing actual perpetuals. Let me be a degenerate. I just want to use a slider bar and bet money on price. I don't want to buy contracts. That's too fancy for me. I'm a simple-minded person. Not really, but I am when it comes to trading. Oh yeah, this is Offset's favorite. So yeah, sweet. It's just looking like downside to me. Continuation. Probably down to $1. I'd look for it to come down to here. Yep, that looks good to me. 111, 91. Pull a fib. $8.86. $1.02. $1.02. Let's see where the potential or measured move might get us. depending on where it breaks down. Oh, take out the low? Maybe. I don't know who was here last week, but I was going over order blocks, the better order blocks, or the best order blocks, the highest probability order blocks. Last candle before the push, but order blocks where you get a wick and on the push, and you take out the most recent internal low. Because what's happening here is you are pushing down and you are trading traders, and then you push away from them. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, this could also just do this, which actually gets you right down to that 886. $1.02 on sweet. Don't be surprised if it gets a move up and then down. I feel like a lot of stuff could do that to start the week. Fake us out. Japanese yen. This is the dollar to the yen. Well, you want this to continue to push to the downside because that makes the dollar, the Dixie, weaker. TLT. This is what the true value of the dollar looks like. Man, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed 5-wave, bottoming out, and then maybe a push to the upside. Yeah. Risk on assets, not looking too great, guys. Not looking too great. Oh, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's zoom in, see what we're doing in the lower times. Nope, didn't quite get there. Fell through that fair value gap. Getting a nice bounce though. Is this my trading? No, let's go to my. I mean, this does look bottomy in here. I mean, you got your classic W. Push up, break the high, pull back, continuation. Look for it to. Get up in there. Or maybe even there. Just be careful. I mean, this can still be corrective. Now, if this gets a nice continuation push, yeah, because this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and you get an ABC or ABC, maybe, yeah. ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More down. And it's stuff like this that happens all the time. This is why I stopped trading patterns. I'll point them out. I'll look at them. I will not trade them. But we do have an imbalance in here that it might want to come and mitigate. So before continuation to the downside. And this is considered a 5-3-5 if it is just corrective. But if we are to play out the entire fifth wave of this bigger move, you're looking at another ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, getting all the way down to that $67,000 level. So that is what I'm looking at, what I'm considering. And it doesn't have to go all the way down there, but that would be a nice 5-wave impulse to the downside to wrap up this whole crashing corrective structure. And I say wrap up, but you can always get the ABC to the upside. And then get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe not that dramatic, but pretty much the same. And you zoom out and you can see that on an even larger scale, it could just be part of an ABC correction, part of a larger move that continues to push to the upside. So, even if we go to the downside, we could still get dead cat bounce and then roll over even more. But then that could lead to another massive 2023 to 2024 type of bull run. But as usual, we take it day by day, we see how things play out. The waves just kind of help give us some kind of perspective. It's mostly market structure. That's what that's called. Yeah, I put over ABC, over ABC. When did my music get turned up so freaking loud? When did my music get turned up so loud? Jeez. Let's see if we start the week bullish or bearish. You should read Winter Mute's 2025 post-mortem report. Send it to me. Post it in my Discord. I want to see what you're talking about. What's up, Homo sapiens? What's going on, BC Port Court? Ears dead. Sorry. I don't know what happened. I didn't turn it up. My bad. But I gotta stop the music because that's the music we're gonna play at the end here. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate you. As always, I guess we're all trading tomorrow. Yay! Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's help each other out. Hopefully I can get up in the Discord, put the stream on, and put the headphones on, and we can all talk as we go through as we trade. Would love to do that with you guys. So let's see if we can make it happen. But anyways, all right, guys. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I do greatly appreciate you all for being here. I've gone well over my time, but I don't have work tomorrow, so that's fine. But I still got to get up a little early to get prepped for the New York Open, but nothing I can't handle. But yeah, on your way out, just please hit the like, consider subscribing if you're new here, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. And yeah, I hope you all stay safe, stay sound, stay warm, and I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep, and I will catch you all later. I don't know what song to play. I'll play this one. This one's new. It's 5 minutes long. Mad love. God bless. Peace out. Ride the waves. Bye.
I hit the button, it hits me back. Green turns red like a heart attack. Rain so tight I can't breathe in it. Every candle got a blade in it. Stop, set, clean, and it hunts my soul. One wick deep and I lose control. I'm not trading, I'm getting scared. Chop, 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 another sin. I can feel it in the static. I can hear it in my veins. Every time I think I'm safe, the market takes my name. I'm getting chopped up. Fix out failure, wicks and ribs on a group back target. Stop unfreezing, blood on the saber. Liquidity laughing while I fall apart. Moon guys, bring gang, fix this damage. Patch my mind, let me rise again. Choked up, vexing, and the panic. I came for the waves, now I'm shredded it up. Sideways prison, pixel cage. Every entry just feeds the rage. Long and short, I switch too fast. Chasing ghosts from the fucking past. Swept at high, swept at low. Market maker put on a show. I see the setup, I take the bait. Then I pay for it some tablet. Revenge. I need a plan. I need to stop being my own damn it. Chop me up. Chop me up. Chop me out. Wipe me out. I set the rules, but I break them fast. I kiss the team, then I bleed the past. I swear I'm done, but I click again. Death by chop is how it ends. Sit back, chillax. Let the market do its thing. But it's dropping me anyway. Wave riders don't drown, but I'm tired of gasping for air. I wanted the freedom, I wanted the glow, but I keep getting clipped by the shit I don't know. So I breathe through the noise, I stay off you.